statement, sir, is that there are already arrangements that have been coordinated, sir, prior to the release of the funds.
When you say arrangements nga, may pinangako ng bayaran, hindi pa lang nababayaran. Bayarin. Obligations already incurred. May obligasyon na. May pangako na nabayaran. Di ba yan?
Sir, hindi siya pangako, sir, na bayaran, but meron na siyang mga, how do I explain it, sir? Parang meron ng arrangement, sir, that will be done, and then yung payment, sir, will be once available na siya.
Sir, in the ordinary course of meaning, that's how you define obligations already incurred that you wrote?
Yes, sir. Based on how I understand the information, sir, that's how I indicated it in the letter.
That's his answer, Counsel. You may proceed.
Okay, but you will confirm that on those 3 months referred to in your letter, October, November, and November, at the early parts ng December, wala pang allotment na maaaring pagbasihan ng OVP ng obligasyon ng confidential funds. Tama ba?
There was
Yes.
no allotment as of
Yes.
yes.
Kung gayon, wala ding certification of availability of funds na maaaring nailabas para sa mga obligasyon na yon. Tama ba? Yes.
There was no document yet released.
Okay. Alam nyo din, Mr. Tonyo, dahil sa tagal ng inyong paninilbihan bilang kawani ng gobyerno, alam ninyo na walang obligasyon ng gobyerno na maaaring pasukin na walang appropriation at katumbas na allotment. Tama ba?
That's correct, ma'am.
At alam din ninyo, base dun sa joint circular na iyong paulit-ulit na sinite sa mga letters ninyo, alam ninyo na ang cash advance ay dapat mauna sa gastos. Tama ba?
That's correct, ma'am.
Hindi ito maaaring legal na gamitin para i-reimburse o pantakip sa mga gastusing na gawa na. Tama ba?
For reimbursements, ma'am, yes,
Yes.
that's indicated in the
Yes.
JC.
Okay, thank you. Now, pumunta na tayo sa your reply to notice of suspension. Ikaw din sumagot sa reply. Ikaw din ang sumagot sa notice of suspension. Di ba?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
I'm
one of the
referring to
signatories.
the notice of suspension that I'm referring to is prosecution's exhibit P-I-13-A. Dito sa notice of suspension na to, pinuna ng COA, and I quote, "There is discrepancy in the total amount of expenses based on the submitted accomplishment report as against the DEPs." Ibig sabihin ng COA, hindi nagtutugma ang total amount ng expenses sa accomplishment report at sa DEPs na sinubmit ng inyong opisina. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
Ayon sa COA, ipinakita ng accomplishment report na iyong sinumite na ginamit ang confidential fund sa mga gastusing may kabuuhan ng 125 million pesos. Pero pagdating sa DEPs, nang itotal na ito, ang gastusing actual na naganap ay may kabuuhang 125,150,000 pesos. Tama ba?
Yes po, that's correct.
In short, may pagkakaibang 150,000.
Yes.
At nung sumagot kayo dyan sa notice of suspension na yan, I'm referring to your letter dated March 13, 2024, which is prosecution's exhibit P-I-13-A. Sa sagot ninyo, ang paliwanag ninyo ay yung mga resibo, I quote, may have been inadvertently mixed. Tama ba? Yan yung paliwanag nyo dun sa 150,000 pesos.
Yes, that's correct. Based on our reply.
But 9 days later, sumulat ka ulit sa COA supplementing that earlier reply. Your supplemental reply is dated March 22, 2024, which is prosecution exhibit P-I-13-B. Now, dyan sa supplemental reply, ipinaliwanag niyong muli yung discrepancy ng 150,000. Ngayon, ang paliwanag ninyo, I quote, "The reconciliation shows that an amount of 50 pesos under payment of reward and an amount of 100,000 pesos under purchase of supplies were provided by Assistant Secretary Lemuel G. Ortonio out of his personal funds." Tama ba? But do you recall making that statement in your supplemental reply, Mr.
Yes.
Ortonio?
Based on
Yes.
the
Yes.
information also flashed on the screen. Yes.
Yes. Sa'yo galing yung 100. Ikaw yung Lemuel G. Ortonio, Assistant Secretary na pinapatunguhan. I mean, nire-refer dito sa sulat na ito. Tama ba?
That's correct po.
So alam mo rin, dahil ikaw ang nag-abot ng pera, alam mo rin kung kailan siya inabot. Kung kailan siya binigay. Tama ba? Yes. So by the time that you prepared your initial response to the notice of suspension, your letter dated March 13, 2024, yung exhibit P-I-13-A na sa inyong tiningnan kanina, at that point, alam niyo na rin na nagbigay ka ng 150,000 pesos. Tama ba?
But I had
Yes.
to confirm first with our special disbursing officer at the time. So we needed to make a reply. So we sent an initial reply and submitted a supplemental reply.
So you are trying to say na ginawa mo yung letter dated March 13, 2024, nakapagbigay ka na ng explanation na hindi mo pa verify dun sa special disbursing officer at sa security officer.
There is already a coordination.
There was
and
already a coordination.
Yes,
Pero
but
hindi mo na itanong. Naitanong mo lamang 9 days later.
that's why we submitted a supplemental reply
Supplemental.
to ensure that we provide the proper information.
At sinabi nyo pa rito, that was due to the urgency of the expenses. So ibig sabihin, may sinabi sa inyong expenses na urgent kaya humingi ng 150,000. In short, pinaliwanag sa iyo kung bakit humingi ng 150,000. Yes.
Ang
Yes.
nilapit po ito sa akin ni Miss Gina Acosta, our
At sinabi
SDO.
niya,
And then she mentioned that there was a request from Colonel Chica for
an
an
urgent,
urgent.
and there was urgency for that
Yes.
request. At hindi rin karaniwan na may hihingi sa'yo ng 150,000 from your own pocket. Hindi naman to karaniwang ginagawa sa OVP, or karaniwan ba ito?
No, it's not
No.
common.
Okay. Pero nung gumagawa ka ng notice of suspension, bigla mo nakalimutan na mayroong 150,000. Sinabi mo na kanina
Let
na
her finish
in-explain
her
sa'yo.
question and then I will hear your objection, Counsel.
Sinabi mo na kanina na pinaliwanag sa inyo ni Ms. Acosta na galing kay Colonel Chica yung paliwanag ng urgency for the request. Tama ba?
Yes.
Counsel?
Your,
Asked and answered already, Your Honor.
Proceed, Attorney May.
okay. Yung, Mr. Ortonio, your salary grade 29, correct?
That's correct, ma'am.
And you're receiving roughly how much in salary monthly? Mr. Ortonio.
Your Honor, please.
What is the objection, Counsel?
Relevance.
This is
of the
very
question.
relevant, Your Honor. It goes into the credibility of this witness.
And if you can afford 150, Counsel, if you remember, Gina said The same yesterday. Witness will please answer the question.
Salary grade 29, roughly about 180, 190 gross.
So yung binigay mo ng na 150,000 from your personal funds, that's just around 40,000 short of your monthly salary. Tama ba?
That's correct.
Yes. Nung binigay mo ba ito, yung 150,000, may hiningi kang resibo, patunay na nagbigay ka ng 150,000?
At the time po, because of the urgency and dahil humingi po ng tulong si Miss Gina sa akin, I provided her with the request.
And were you able to recover the 150,000, Mr. Ortonio?
Unfortunately, ma'am, I was not reimbursed anymore.
You were not reimbursed.
Up to today, Mr. Ortonio?
Yes, Your Honor. I wasn't reimbursed anymore.
At itong 150,000 naman na ito, hindi ito nag-appear. Yung pagbigay mo ng 150,000, hindi ito nag-appear sa kahit anumang record ng Office of the Vice President.
No.
Hindi. Now, pumunta na tayo sa purchase of supplies. Okay, Mr. Ortonio, kasama sa sinasabi niyong pinaglaanan ninyo ng confidential funds ay ang purchase of or payment of purchase supplies, payments of tables and chairs, payment of desktop computers and printers. Tama ba?
Correct.
Okay. Ang mga desktop computer, printer, mesa at upuan ay mga bagay na hindi nauubos or tinatawag na non-consumable. Tama ba?
Yes.
Again, more than or almost 2 decades na kayo naglilingkod sa gobyerno. In fact, naglingkod din kayo bilang pinuno ng Human Resource Management Office nito. Alam niyo, Mr. Ortonio, ng ari-ariang binili ng pondo ng bayan or pera ng bayan ay pag-aari ng gobyerno. Tama ba?
Yes, I would
Yes.
say so.
At alam nyo rin na nakatala ang ari-arian ng gobyerno. Ibig sabihin, yung mga government properties, these are recorded. May karampatang property number, property acknowledgement receipt, accountable officer at annual inventory. Tama ba?
Yes, if procurements through the regular
Yes.
funding.
At sinasubmit din ito, yung inventory na to, isinasubmit din ito sa opisina ng Commission on Audit. Tama ba?
Yes, for the inventory.
Okay. Pero, aaminin mo, you will confirm na para dito sa mga purchase ng supposed supplies, computers, tables and chairs, wala kayong sinubmit na inventory para dito sa COA. Tama ba?
Specifically for these items, they were not reflected because
I'm not
of
asking, yes, thank you very much, Mr. Ortonio. I'm not asking for the reason.
Your Honor, please.
I'm just asking whether or not you submitted an inventory to the COA. So,
Attorney Christine?
The witness is answering the question, Your Honor, if he can be allowed to answer.
Again, let it be a subject matter of cross. I think the answer given was sufficient already.
okay. And para din dito sa mga supplies na ito, wala ka rin wala rin binigay sa iyo na invoice or official receipt. Wala nitong, tama ba?
none.
Okay. Wala ka rin nakitang records ng sales invoices na to at mga official receipts sa buong record ng OVP. Tama ba?
None, ma'am.
Wala ring dokumento na magpapakita na ang mga bagay na ito ay i-donate ng OVP sa kahit sino man. Tama ba?
No record in
Yes.
terms of the donation.
Hanggang ngayon, ikaw personally, Mr. Ortonio, hindi mo rin maituturo kung nasaan na itong mga mesa, upuan, supplies, computers, nagkakahalagang 3.5 million. Hindi mo naman ituro kung nasaan sila.
Considering that these are procurements for confidential activities, no ma'am, I would have no personal knowledge on where these items are.
And I would suppose wala ring nakapagturo sa office ng OVP kung nasaan itong mga mesa, computer, supplies na ito. Tama ba?
Your Honor, please.
Attorney Christine?
Speculative, Your Honor.
How is that speculative, Your Honor?
Or asking for an opinion.
How is that asking for opinion, Your Honor? I am asking whether, to his knowledge, there was anyone in the OVP who could point to these non-consumable items.
Her wording was, I suppose. She did not say to your knowledge.
Okay, then I withdraw. I drop, Your Honor, the phrase, I suppose. Mr. Ortonio, tama
Witness
ba?
may answer if he knows.
No, I would not have any knowledge also if there are other personnel in the office who would know in the OVP.
Conversely, hindi mo rin masasabi kung merong nakakaalam, kung talagang nag-i-exist itong mga mesa, tables and chairs, computers at supplies.
Your Honor, please. Already asked and answered and repetitive.
Move on, counsel.
Okay. Earlier, Mr. Ortonio, we just parked one item, yung certifications that were attached to the liquidation reports. You will confirm, Mr. Ortonio, that Vice President herself signed all those certifications.
Yes, ma'am, based on the documents that were presented.
By the way, Mr. Ortonio, earlier you mentioned that you submitted PIORs. Did you ask Ms. Acosta and the security officer kung meron man, ano-ano itong mga threats na na-identify in the course of the disbursement of the confidential funds? Naitanong niyo ba?
No, I did not ask anymore, ma'am.
Okay. So just to summarize, Mr. Ortonio, doon sa August 22, 2022 letter, may I request the technical booth to please flash on the screen.
Kindly flash the
Letter.
August 22, 2022 letter signed by Mr. Ortonio.
Just to summarize, in that letter, ang pinigay niyong paliwanag para sa confidential funds ay para sa tatlong bagay. Good governance program, functional representation, para sa travel ng Pangulo. Tama ba?
Can I see the document first? I'll confirm on the good governance. But on what we indicated, ma'am, is on the conduct of official engagements
Official
and
engagement.
functional representation
So three,
in domestic and in international and domestic events.
so three items, three projects, or three items. You have governance, good governance program, you have official engagements, and functional representation. Tama ba?
That's basically two, ma'am. That's the implementation for good governance program and conduct of
Of-
official engagements and functional
Okay.
representation.
Thank you, Mr. Antonio. I stand corrected on that. So those two items. Pagdating sa PFP, ang justification for the 2022 PFP and justification was good governance program. Tama ba?
Yes, based on the documents earlier.
Sa 2023 naman, socio-economic delivery program.
Asked and answered, Your Honor, earlier.
I'm sorry, Counsel. What was the question, Attorney May?
For this 2023 certification, Your Honor, the justification was socio-economic delivery program.
Asked and answered.
On the assumption that she's winding up, Attorney Christine, because she said
Yes, Your
she's
Honor.
summarizing the points that were the points that the witness had already answered to. I will allow it. Witness may answer. Yes, Mr. Antonio, do you want the question repeated?
Yes, kindly repeat the question, ma'am.
For the 2023, ang paliwanag niyo para sa confidential funds ay dahil gagamitin ito sa socio-economic delivery program. Tama ba?
Yes, as indicated in the document earlier.
At sa mga certifications naman na isinumitin ninyo in response to the AOM, sinabi dito na ginamit ang confidential funds para sa surveillance to ensure that no untoward incident will happen. Tama ba?
Yes, based on the document
Based on
earlier,
the
ma'am.
document. At para naman sa sagot nyo sa AOM, pati sa NS, ang sinabi naman ninyo, gagamitin ang confidential funds para sa surveillance activity that would help you determine and identify areas kung saan i-roll out yung mga proyekto ninyo. Tama ba?
That's one of the
That's one of
justifications that we indicated.
yes, which never appeared in the prior documents. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. So in short, nagbigay kayo ng apat na bersyon, apat na rason para sa isang pondo. Tama ba?
Your Honor, please.
I was expecting something, Attorney Christine. Yes.
Yeah, it's misleading, Your Honor. Apat na version and conclusion
Hindi na.
of fact.
Your Honor, if I may, Your Honor.
I'll allow it, Attorney Christine.
Thank you.
The witness is intelligent enough to be able to identify that indeed some answers were different from the previous ones they gave.
And just to set the record
I'm just
straight,
not
Your
so
Honor.
sure if it's four, but
Just to set the record straight, Your Honor, I did not say 4. I mentioned 5.
ang dinig ko nga apat eh. Ang dinig
Sorry.
ko apat eh.
4. Yes,
So I
4.
don't know the number of versions you have, but you do admit that several versions or explanations were given, not
For the same
for the
funds.
same expense.
There were different justifications.
Okay,
Yes.
different justifications for the same fund, for the same confidential fund. Tama ba?
Can
Yes.
I clarify?
Just say yes or no.
There were four explanations.
There were 4 explanations for the same fund. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So in short, paiba, you will also agree with me na kapag paiba-iba ang rason, maaring nagsisinungaling lang or talaga na